Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Dancehall artist Idonia Emotional following his 20th anniversary show held over the weekend in Kingston. Hundreds of loyal fans out to celebrate Idonia's 2-decade milestone in the music industry. Technical difficulties resulted in a late start as poor audio was the running theme of the night. However, that was no deterrent for the slew of artists and fans showing unwavering support despite the challenges. E Prime was on the ground and now brings you the highlights. Roger Wild and Skeng in high demand from patrons.
Tonight I'm expecting to see Skeng and I'm expecting to see Idonia tonight, and I want to be a good performance from everybody.
I want to see Skeng take off him shoes. I actually want it from Skeng. I love Skeng. Skeng is my artist. And Roger Wild. I don't know, yeah. I'm looking for some local whining tune and stuff like that. I'm here to enjoy myself and have a good time.
No Skeng in sight, but Roger Wild and Kraft moved patrons with their energetic performances.
We want to see the artist now.
For such a legendary artist, you know what I mean, his catalog, no stop yes sir. You understand me I say? And everything I it, pantapa hip, pantapa it, pantapa it.
I don't know somebody who I look up to for real. I'm not just say anything, you see me? I don't know somebody who I look up to.
A big thing for dancehall, not even for dancehall mostly, but for doing it, I'm the 20 years, you see me? And 20 years in a business, you know, one joke something. It's me I deal it. So if you can sustain 20 years in a dancehall with so much bad talent we have fired up and everything, and who did it before, a great accomplishment.
Magnum being the champion of dancehall, we couldn't miss the opportunity to partner with an artist, and as I said, an innovator and icon of this stature.
This kind of means a lot in more ways than one, you know them type of way there, so you see, I try fight back the emotions, but I couldn't, you know them way there, so I just that's the word for tonight, emotional, you know them way there.
That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.